We all have a part in our brains that steers our logical thinking, and we have another part of the brain, which is the so-called reptile brain, which is the emotional part, made to keep us alive. This is why every situation that we are encountering is being answered by our reptile brain, because that part of the brain immediately judges whether a situation is safe, whether a situation is a threat, or if we actually don't know yet. So this is why we freeze. The first immediate subconscious reaction that we have, it's fight, flight, or freeze. Only after that part of our brain has reacted, the logical brain comes in. The big question for everybody really is, am I satisfied with the decision of my reptile brain, or do I wait a moment longer to take the time and come up with a logical reasoning for how I want to react in this particular situation? Having flags or cards outside of somebody's office, for example, to understand how they are actually reacting is certainly very helpful. But on the other hand, if I do take into consideration how somebody is reasoning, the next step would be to have everybody trained on how to use their brains in much more of a balance. So have everybody being enabled to use their emotional brain, but also to use the logical brain. Because this, in the end, that gives us a wholesome foundation to make a decision that takes everything into account. So instead of manifesting or having a system that supports just one part of the brain by saying, okay, this is how this person actually works, bring it all together and allow everybody to have a decision that takes both sides into account. Because in the end, those are the best founded decisions that we can make.